Did you know that one missing meal can change everything for a young athlete? Jamal dragged himself to practice, his stomach growling from another morning of bland oatmeal. While his teammates arrived energized from hearty breakfasts with their families, Jamal felt weak and unfocused. His speed meant nothing when he couldn't concentrate. Coach Williams noticed immediately. The next day, he quietly handed Jamal protein bars and fresh fruit. Champions fuel their bodies like race cars, he explained. Good food builds strong muscles and sharp minds. That simple act of caring hit Jamal like lightning. Someone believed in him enough to invest personally in his success. As Coach Williams taught him about nutrition, meal timing, and hydration, Jamal's energy soared, his focus sharpened, his confidence grew with every practice. But Jamal didn't keep this knowledge to himself. He shared everything with the other kids at the orphanage, teaching them how proper nutrition could unlock their potential too. Sometimes the smallest acts of kindness create the biggest transformations, and when knowledge is shared, it becomes unstoppable.